Good evening, everybody. Sean Gardner here with your Middle Tennessee forecast. I wanted to talk about, well, pretty much right now we have some rain moving through the area, and just to our north we have an icy and snowy mess. And this is pretty much going to stay north of us. But areas, from Paducah to Evansville, Indiana, Louisville, and areas northward could see a pretty messy night and morning commute. Here are the watches and warnings from the National Weather Service, and for the area we just have a special weather statement for some heavy rainfall. Winter weather advisories, though, from Texas, Missouri, Arkansas, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, but that stays north of us. And we actually have ice storm warnings and winter storm warnings as well. All right, so here's what's going on right now. We have this rain moving through, but you see, not too far away from us, just north of us, you have an icy mess. And unfortunately, it looks like a lot of this is going to be freezing rain instead of sleet. So that's going to accumulate on power lines and roads, and you'll have some slick spots, and it'll just be a mess. And north of that, you'll have some decent snow, and actually some pretty heavier snow just north of that. So, and basically, here's what we're looking at for ice accumulations, and you see a pretty decent amount. Anywhere up to a quarter of an inch, especially as you get over here into eastern Indiana and Ohio. And some of this may end as some light freezing drizzle for us in northern Tennessee. But this rain, it's going to be cold rain. It's going to be nasty. I mean, we're going to be in the mid 30s, and we may wake up tomorrow morning to mid 30s, and it'll be pretty cold and wet. So not a great night weather-wise. And here's what we're talking about. For snow accumulations. We have that ice. It's just going to be mainly ice for southern Indiana, but as you get a little further north, you have a nice area of 1 to 3 inches of snow setting up, possibly more. And here is my accumulation map, pretty much. And for us in Tennessee, it's mostly rain, and Kentucky is mostly rain. But once you get to Paducah and areas along the Ohio River, you can get up to a quarter inch of ice, and some sleet may mix in. In the area of blue, I put 1 to 3 inches of snow, and in this, kind of weird yellow highlighted areas where you can see that's kind of your bullseye for snow with this, where you can see 4 inches of snow. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's happening with the weather right now. But for Tennessee, we're safe. It's just going to be wet. We may have some isolated ponding on roads, and we could get a couple inches of rain out of this, but no winter weather for us. And for the foreseeable future, it doesn't look like we're going to see any. So just wanted to give you a quick update, and thanks for watching.